Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the cold weather has returned to southern New England, and it will be around for at least a couple more days before we see the temperatures moderate a little bit. Let's take a look at what's happening right now in Providence, our live city cam picture. There's the effect of the cold. We've got some ice on the Providence River right underneath the Point Street Bridge and all the way up to the hurricane barrier, the upper part of Narragansett Bay. Looks like it's ice-free, but I'm sure it's very cold. 19 degrees in Providence. We've got a wind from the west-northwest, 14 miles an hour. Makes it feel like it's 6 degrees outside. Gloucester at 16 degrees, Westerly at 19, New Bedford at 19 degrees. And again, we have that winter weather advisory for the Cape and Islands, as we are expecting a few inches of snow out there. Less amounts out across Rhode Island and nearby Massachusetts, but enough that there could be some slick spots first thing tomorrow morning. We'll talk about that more in just a second. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. No snow out there right now. No problems at all this afternoon or even for the evening commute. It looks like it'll be quiet. 19 in Coventry, 17 Charlestown, Gloucester at 16. Over in Fall River, we've got 18 degrees, 19 degrees in New Bedford. Down there at Kingston at URI, you can see how the clouds have been working their way overhead throughout the morning. They're already up to 20 degrees down there in South Kingstown. Satellite radar picture showing some of the clouds off to our south, trying to work their way in. We're going to be seeing all of these clouds kind of thicken up and move overhead during the course of the, especially late afternoon and during the evening hours. But notice how for the evening commute, we're still dry, really no problems at all. Taking you through the overnight, we'll be seeing some light snow developing close to midnight. It'll be snowing for a little while, likely done by 7 a.m., probably even earlier than that across Rhode Island. Might hang on a little bit longer across Cape Cod and the islands. And we're going to be looking at some sunshine, eventually clear skies for tomorrow night. How much are we talking about? Coating, maybe an inch, and the inch probably right along here, along this blue line. So communities like Newport into Little Compton, over into Narragansett, Block Island included, you might see up to an inch of snow, 1 to 2 inches, New Bedford, and maybe even just to the south of Fall River and Westport and Dartmouth, you might be seeing as much as 2 inches. Obviously a lot more as you head on out toward Cape Cod and Nantucket. 3 to 5 inches of snow possible out there in Nantucket. This afternoon looks dry though, 19, 20 degrees. 5 to 10 mile an hour worth of wind from the northwest. Make it feel a little bit colder. Riverside 20, 21 degrees in Warwick. Along the south coast, temperatures should be topping out, I think, about 22 in Charlestown, 23 degrees in Newport. The clouds will continue to slowly thicken up throughout the afternoon. Over in Burrowville, about 18 there, 19 Scituate, 20 in Johnston. Southeastern Massachusetts, temperatures should be topping out in the lower 20s with the sunshine slowly fading away, clouds taking over. Temperatures will feel a little colder, likely in the teens. The evening commute will continue to cloud up, but staying dry. Temperatures 15 to 20 degrees for the evening commute. Here's the live Pinpoint Doppler 12 7-day Futurecast. And again, we're looking at snow midnight till probably done by 7 a.m. Could be some slick roads tomorrow. Bit of a warm up as we head into the weekend. Now on Saturday, I increased the temperature a little bit, all the way up to 40 degrees, which is a couple of degrees above average. Some rain showers developing late in the day. Might actually start as some wet snow. Continues into Sunday morning, done by 7 a.m. and still kind of mild on Super Bowl Sunday, 42 degrees. But the cold weather's here for the next couple of days, and a little bit of snow tonight, but not a big storm at all.
And it's really the cold weather that's just getting everybody down.
Don't worry, milder air is coming, like in June.
Although my kids keep hoping that the cold weather will stay, so that eventually they'll get another day off, you know.
Oh, I'm sure they will. Don't worry.
I'm sure they will too. All right, thanks so much, TJ.